Uganda's tax body says it has posted an $8.8 million surplus. Almost half of the revenue collected over the last 6 months came from domestic taxes.
We've had a relatively good performance of income taxes, both corporate and non-corporate. It's been very strong because we chose to address it. Last year it caused a problem for us.
The tax body closed the last financial year, 2013-2014, with a record shortfall amounting to over $175 million. This was mainly attributed to a poor economic environment driven by regional insecurity, especially the war in South Sudan. South Sudan is Uganda's most active trading partner in the region, exporting foodstuffs and manufactured products. Despite the good performance, the country's revenue body says some taxes, like VAT, may actually fall as different sectors of the economy expand.
You are talking about new power lines, you are talking about refurbishment of existing power lines, you are talking about these new prepaid systems coming in, and all of this means a lot of investment coming in. And for VAT, it erodes what we call output tax.
However, all this comes at a time when the Uganda shilling is at a record low against the dollar. Although the tax body says the effects of a weaker shilling are yet to be felt, traders are starting to import less.
The major weakness or the major upside risk continues to be our balance of payment position, where we are running a huge current account deficit. That has an effect in the sense that the currency will remain weak, and that, with its pass-through effects, may cause challenges for economic management in the first quarter of the year.
Economic analysts argue that Uganda's economic environment is not attracting and retaining enough investment. The country's tax base could have done even better if there were more people paying taxes. The tax collector is determined to close all loopholes that allow people to avoid tax. This will be achieved through tax compliance verification and isolating opportunists.
We are collaborating with the local governments, the local authorities who are in charge of the day-to-day business licensing. We also coordinate with the register of companies, and we are trying to build both information technologies and procedures that would help us to bring these people into the net.
Uganda's revenue collection target for this year is about $3.5 billion. The tax collector says more than half of this has been collected in the last 6 months. Baleke, CCTV, Kampala.